Welcome to this quick video snapshot tutorial, where we talk about the new enhancement, Monarch Mode. We're excited to unveil Monarch Mode, a groundbreaking new feature in TactileView, designed specifically for dynamic tactile displays like the Monarch. For years, tactile graphics have been limited to paper embossing and thermal machines. But as technology evolves, so does the need for digital-first tactile solutions. Monarch Mode is our answer, bringing your graphics to life on screen and optimizing them for digital interaction. This powerful new mode allows you to preview exactly how your tactile graphic will appear on a Monarch display, using the built-in Braille viewer. You're no longer bound by page sizes. Explore one large, seamless tactile layout without cutting, taping, or juggling multiple pages. Make graphics bigger to reveal more, or choose filter tools to simplify the graphic. One huge benefit is that you don't necessarily need a Monarch to get started. If, however, you are a tactile artist or a TVI that needs to prepare tactile resources for a student or user that has a Monarch, then TactileView version 3 is a must. Let's click on the Monarch logo, the orange butterfly icon located on the horizontal toolbar. Here you'll see several options. Let's go through each one. The first option is to enable or disable Monarch Mode. When enabled, the Braille dot viewer will display the Monarch's resolution. This is a great way to see exactly how the Monarch will present images, allowing you to make adjustments and fine-tune graphics for optimal results. Let's go ahead and turn this mode on. Once activated, more options will appear. The next setting lets you choose how to export your PDF file. The first choice is Export Document Always as one page. This removes page boundaries so you can create a single large tactile graphic, perfect for something like the periodic table. The second choice is Export Large Document as multiple pages. This is the traditional way of creating tactile graphics, one page at a time. Your page size will be limited by the document size you set in the next option. This can be useful if, for example, you want a separate page that contains the key for your tactile graphic. Here's a helpful tip. Set the initial document size to Monarch Screen. This lets you see exactly what will appear on the screen when specific parts of the tactile graphic are displayed. For instance, from the image being shown on the screen, both the car and the butterfly fit within the screen window. This tells me that when positioned, it will fit entirely on one screen without needing to pan around. Press the OK button once you have selected your preferences. Let's quickly create a pie chart to see how it can be represented on the Monarch. First, I'll draw a circle. Then I'll add a few radii to divide it into sections and start forming the portions of my pie chart. Next, I'll add a text label and maybe some shading so the user can easily tell the different sections apart. All right, let's see how this will look on the Monarch. I'll click on Dot View. One of the great features is that you can work directly in Dot View to further optimize how your graphic will appear on the Monarch. That's looking pretty good. Now I'll save it as a PDF so I can email it to my student. Go to Print, then select the Print to PDF for Monarch. Done. And there you have it. Now let's see on the actual Monarch. A quick, simple, and effective way to create tactile graphics for the Monarch. For more information on TactileView and to explore more snapshot video tutorials, please visit www.humanware.com. Thanks for watching.